ayé máa fúge la jẹ́ àgbí ọmọ àkálẹ̀ o àpàkálẹ̀ ìrìn àjò àpọ̀ ìtẹ̀bra àwọn àrùn àtùjọ́ mo kọ́kùnrin mo kóbìnrin mo kọ́mọdé mo kágbà ara ní ìlú Ondo State.
Ìlàjẹ TV.
May I know you, sir?
Yes, I'm Honorable Babatunde Lepe.
Why are you here, sir?
For the burial of our great brother, Reverend Malato.
Who is Malato to you, sir?
Well, a cousin in a way. A cousin in a way. Cousin. He's my cousin. He was my cousin. Yeah, he was my cousin.
When you heard about his demise, how do you feel?
It was terrible. Root shock. In fact, it was beyond the ordinary. Nobody expected it. It was such an enigmatic, young man, highly terrific. His death, in fact, was some kind of calamity to the entire nation. In fact, we really have it bad. Not a good news at all.
So can you briefly tell us about his attitude and character when he was alive?
Oh, he was a very level-headed man. Great man, very well educated, God-fearing, a great singer. You know, this Zionic, music in a way. He was one of the leading Zionic musicians. Very wonderful person.
What advice do you have for the children and the well-wishers that came here to pay him his last respect?
Well, death is something that can't be controlled by anybody. It's a necessary end. When it comes, it comes. The advice for everybody is to make sure whatever you do while living, know that a day is coming when the curtain will be drawn behind you. So I expect everyone to learn very greatly from this great son of ours. Today you could see the entire atmosphere. Even the governor of Ondo State is here to kind of pay him the last respect. I think that goes beyond saying. It goes without saying.
Ìlàjẹ TV.
Osopadek was created by an act, limiting everything to a larger nation here. So for anybody taking that commission away from us, that is pure. That is a misrepresentation in a way. It's deprivation in a way. That is oppression. It goes far from the truth because the commission is basically for the Ilaje people. And the sole aim is developing the riverine. That's just it. For instance, if you look at the degradation we are into today, it affects us only. So the autonomy being advocated by youth is expected. And I'm expecting when this page will go a little higher. Because I don't think they will stop at what they have seen now.
Ìlàjẹ TV.
Well, it has to be so if what belongs to you is not given to you directly. There's no way the urge for perfection will be there. So we have the place absolutely by acts, by the federal donation of this country. But taking it away from us, we'll have to kind of engender some lackadaisical attitude. Whether you do it or you don't do it, nobody's coming to query you. But for supposing you are the chairman of Osopadek today, and Osopadek is rightly cited within us. There's no way you do anything that will inconvenience us. People will come to you. They would like to hear from you. And because you know too that you are within your people, you would like to do the best for us. So taking the commission away from us, as a matter of fact, you will see something like abandoned projects. Because nobody is happy with the system as it is today.
Ìlàjẹ TV.
When you see an agency of such a status, the agency is not expected to tackle everything. The agency is rather, by law, compelled to handle some teething projects. And that is the reason for the creation of that commission. For as much as we know, that time is going to come when Osopadek becomes according to the history of creation. I'm sure it's an agency that is capable of transforming this area. It's capable. That is if well handled.
We read that some contracts were awarded to some politicians in Ilaje some years ago. Why is it not yet executed, or did they cancel it?
You can have abandoned projects anywhere. It doesn't peculiar to Sopadek. It happens everywhere, you know.
Please like, comment and share, and remember to subscribe to Ilaje TV for more videos. Click the red button at the lower right hand corner, then click the bell. Thank you.